Hello and welcome back to Math Class with Mr. Kura. Today we're going to be talking about linear equations and word problems. So finding our y equals mx plus b from a word problem and going from there. So let's jump right in. We have 3 steps here. To create an equation, you need to identify the growth and the start of each word problem. So there's going to be something that's talking about like growth is a normal word, or something that's getting bigger, and then some sort of like starting point. So our m is going to show our growth, where it might be some sort of rate, and then b is our starting value. What do we start at? Starting value. After you create your equation, you need to understand what the x represents and the y represents. So you're going to say x values are this, y values are this. Then you use your equation to graph if needed, and then make predictions from your graph. So let's read this. Isabella went to the fair. It cost $7 to get in. Here, let's write our equation before we start this. So y equals mx plus b. So let's read through this problem and see what we think. It costs $7 to get into the fair and $3 per ride. So which one of these is, and this would also be some sort of flat fee, and this would be tell you how much it costs per something, per mile, per ride, per something. So in this problem, we see the word per, so it's $3 per ride. So our m is going to be 3. So let's say m equals 3. Our b is going to be $7 to get in. So $7, that makes sense that it's our b, because it's just a flat fee. It costs you $7, you're in, that's it, you're done. So now let's write our equation. Our equation becomes y equals, m is 3, so m x plus b. Now let's do this question, x values, y values. So x my x values in this problem are going to be, so 3 times x. What am I multiplying? 3 times the number of rides. Number of rides. My y values are going to be, what's y represent? 3 times the number of rides plus the $7 to get in. Oh, I put a b. I should have put 7 here. Plus the $7 to get in. So y is going to be your total amount of money that you spend, right? It's going to be how many rides times 3 plus the $7. Here's your equation. Here's what x and y mean. Now, in the future, you might be asked something like, how much would it cost if they went on 10 rides? Well, we would say 10 times 3 is 30, plus 7, $37 for Isabella to go on 10 rides. All right, let's do another one. Bruce needed a taxi. It cost $2 per mile and $12 for a flat fee. So flat fee, we said, is our b value. So that means basically it costs $12 to get in the taxi, and then per, so $2 per mile to ride in the taxi for however many miles. So m equals 2, b equals 12, and then our equation is y equals 2x plus 12. Now what do our values mean? X X values are and Y values are. What is X? 2 times what? 2 times X, 2 times the number of miles. Y is usually going to be some sort of total whatever, some sort of total. So Y is our total. Well, 2 times the number of miles plus the $12 to get in. It's going to be, same as the last problem, total dollars that it costs to go on this taxi ride. All right, thank you again for spending time in math class with Mr. Kura, and I look forward to talking to you again soon.